On our way to Condo 2. No more 38th floor for you. Are you excited?
Yeah, I can finally sleep fine. Dang, look at all you. Nope. Go in there. I don't know how you people can do heights, man.
I'm scared of heights. I can do it.
Yeah, I don't want you to stay over here.
Anxiety, height problems.
Anxiety, height problems. You have anxiety problems. How's your coffee?
So, oh, it's delicious, but here we are again. Somehow we made it back to BGC. They have really good everything here, and we love coffee. So we're back at Pocofino.
Yeah, Pocofino is really yummy. The mocha is very nice, thick, and smooth chocolate.
And the caffeine is strong too.
I think why we keep coming back to BGC even though we're like, it's not for us. It's que tienen good food, like a variety, you know, and that's how we are. Like we eat a diversity of food, and I think we're gonna have Italian for the first time right now, because
when do we ever get Italian food?
Exactly.
Never.
Okay, mira, listen, I'm craving pizza, okay? And also, something didn't sit well in my stomach, okay? I don't know if it's food poisoning 2.0, but I think I need carbs.
I don't know.
We lied. We're not having pizza and carbs. We're having Jollibee.
They're having Jollibee.
Oh yeah,
I'm
he
so
ate.
pissed.
Okay, it's because he ate, pero me cayó mal la comida. La comida. So I trust Jollibee. I couldn't eat the other food, okay? I didn't want to. We're not doing that again. Yeah. So here in Jollibee we trust. Only they didn't have a spicy chicken today. ¿Por qué te ríes de mí? Why are you laughing at me? We're always at the Jollibee.
Somehow, some way.
Yeah, alright. A comer.
Together, all my moves are moving. Yeah. Look, I make a move. If I just go like this, then circle.
Action! Ya, déjame comer.
Oh, it's big.
Hey, be careful. We're back at Shore 3 Residences in Pasay City. Pasay, I don't know. I hope I'm saying that. Yes, please.
Pasay.
Because second floor. And the guy recognized us. We've been here once before. Too late. I wasn't going to put my hand in there. Because last time I did that, se cerró. It was too hard. Second floor, papi. No more 38th floor. So yeah, I'm like telling Lilith, ay, cállate, don't be too loud. And then over here, he's like, oh, it's you again. Or something. What did he say?
Oh, it's you again.
Yeah. And I was like, yes, it's us. So we're gonna go to our room. Ya somos pros. In the second floor. Why? We didn't even have to go up.
We're almost ground floor.
We're like literally like ground floor, yeah. Ay, el papacito, he's not gonna be scared no more. Alright, we're getting close. Down the hall somewhere. A ver. Oh, no luz. No lighting. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, we have a washer. Yes. So daddy can do laundry. Mira. Wow, okay. Where are the other lights? Yes, let's take off our shoes.
Ready.
Okay, we're gonna take off our shoes. I'm
gonna put up.
Mira! Wow, literally on the first floor, we got a little balcony.
That's so weird.
Mira qué cute.
Look.
Ay, tuyo.
Look. Fine.
So we're here. I'm gonna force force Nana to sleep in that couch bed. Ah, no es cierto. Where's the room? Mira qué cozy.
I also want to sleep in this sleep.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Look, hers are my style.
Oh, it's nice in here.
Complimentary coffee.
And we got coffee. Oh, nice. Okay, short 3 in residences. This super host here, Mr. Allen.
Yeah, they're a super host. Come on through, guys.
Dude, honestly, yeah.
Place is really nice.
And it's super clean.
Nah, it smells clean, like right when you get in here.
And they did notify they cleaned it. Mira, 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 tienen jabón. ¿Lo que limpio? No, pues wow. So, we're going to
Relax.
the French bakery. No, okay, relax.
Can you
We're gonna go to Mall Asian right now?
Why
Yeah.
not? Adventure! Adventure!
Let me take a break real quick.
It was great.
I'm gonna make him a coffee. Mira, vamos a hacerle un café al señor. Let's make a coffee for the señor. Mira, qué flojo. Ay, no manches.
It's been a long day.
Qué energy.
What?
It's like 2 o'clock. We gotta go. Ah, dile.
It's like 3:30.
Getting ready.
Go to the market.
Apparently, they have a pig. It's like a stupid night. He says, yes, it's true. And then look, he has his own little story.
Very cute. They were very thoughtful. They had something for a kid, which was obvio. We're not going to the French baker today porque estamos tired. We're tired.
Yeah.
We.
Tired?
Me.
We're not tired, pero to be fair, he did carry the luggage around everywhere. Y yo, ay, qué grosera, man. I'm over here like, ay, why are you tired? It's like only like
And we just remembered
3.
we just remembered he was carrying everything.
oh, pobrecito, eh?
Do we need
So, yes.
And look how cool this freezer is. Like there's literally ice on the wall and everything.
It's a functional freezer. We're just going to the market. Another veggie soup. This time we can't be hypocrites and have Popeyes right after our year of the kid. No liver, man. We're gonna have, okay, we're being fake. We're gonna have a veggie soup and snacks. We're having ice cream. Yeah, so we'll show you at the market.
Let's
It's
not
very
be
near.
fake here.
Let's not be fake here. I'm gonna wash my hands. Yeah, so see you at the market.
See you later.
We're near the market, Alpha Market. Oh, wait. A ver, Alpha Mart trip successful. We got white peas, we got verduras, we got tofu, we got ice cream, chips.
Chocolate.
Mira, listen, I promise there's more veggies in the bag than there are chips and okay, well, maybe it's. Mira, ¿sabes? Balance.
Balance is.
Pero mira, hydrated.
Oh, and then the next time we know it, didn't finish.
Ay, no. Mira, pero aquí hay una water store. So, vamos a cocinar. Let's cook some veggie soup for dinner and breakfast because we gotta save money. Ah, qué frugal. No, pero honestly, this handsome man right here makes really delicious soups. ¿Verdad, Lele?
Yeah.
He really does. So, okay. A ver. ¡Ay! El chef, family
Sí.
chef, private chef.
That little nose that can't
He's
fit.
our Sanji.
He's our Sanji.
He just needs to be like more like to you.
I want to be your Nami. Ah. Okay, ya vamos a llegar. This time we got a little bit of a, no, it's the same ice cream. It's just a different brand. But we did not get cones. Y mira, papitas, chucheras for the balance. Mira, aquí in the Philippines, A lot of the snacks are sweet and cheesy. Okay, actually, I think all of them are. It's some sort of sweet with it. It's not bad, you know. It's just I'm not used to it, and
Ice.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh, fast.
Powerful freezer. And I found salty
It's a.
sunflower seeds and these delicious. These are very, very yummy.
It's a 4-star.
Okay. Oh, and I found Oreos, but I do think they taste a little different here.
Hey, what do you?
Tan ricas, they're good. They're very good. So yeah.
This one's mine.
Oh, I just showed the snacks. Y mira, hidden stash.
I like to snack while I cook.
Oh, he thought he was being clever. Mira, oh, they have a pot, and this is what we're going to use. But oh, y la sopa, la healthy sopa.
There is the.
Mira, also, and aquí in the markets, everything comes wrapped in saran wrap. Also, people's luggage comes wrapped in saran wrap. Saran wrap is a thing here.
Shout out to Tita's Kitchenette.
Oh, they do that too back home. Sí, cierto, yeah. Mira, individual.
That's because, you know, flies sometimes they get in the market.
So, this is nice. Ooh, it's not spicy, huh?
No.
It's okay. It's healthy. I'm getting used to no spice life. Oh my God, when I go back home, no voy a comer chile. All right, we are now eating
Dinner.
Dinner. Ay, qué rico. We moved the table so that we can watch TV. We're gonna watch One Piece. Hasta luego. Another day and bye.